Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to convert USDT to Solana on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys of course register to Binance if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, in the bottom we have the markets, we have the square where you can see the square tab, we have the buy, sell, convert, and deposit, we have the discover, and the portfolio in the bottom of the corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and convert USDT to Solana on Binance. So that is pretty simple guys, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So the first thing guys that you of course need to do is go and click on trade. So as you can see, I have it here, make your first transaction, trade. What you need to do is guys, of course, you want to go convert from USDT. Here you have to click on and put USDT as I already put it. As you can see, USDT is selected and you just need to go and click on click on the here and type in Solana. Click and here put the amount of USDT that you want, and here you can see the Solana. Click preview conversion, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.